this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today is Raksha Bandhan. If you don't know what that is, make sure to check the description box below. To celebrate this day, we will be making a sweet called Besan Burfi. The main ingredient of this sweet is besan or chickpea flour, and this dessert is perfect for any holiday. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut powder, 5 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, the powder of 7 to 8 cardamoms, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 5 to 6 grated almonds. If you want, you can also use pistachios. You will take a large heavy bottom pan on medium heat and you will add in the ghee or clarified butter. Melt completely. Once the ghee is melted, you will slowly start adding in the besan and make sure to keep on mixing. And then you will keep on stirring this mixture until it is golden brown and you can smell an aroma of the besan. Once the besan mixture is ready, you can set it aside and cool it for a few minutes. While it is cooling, you can take a small butter pan on medium heat and pour in the water, and you will let it come to a slight boil. Once the water has come to a slight boil, you will add in the sugar, and you will keep stirring this until it becomes sticky. Check if the sugar syrup is ready. You will take a little drop of it, place it on a plate, and then you will let it cool for 4 to 5 seconds so that you don't burn yourself. And you will be able to see one thread between your fingers. After the sugar syrup is ready, you will pour it into the besan mixture. And you will also add in the coconut powder and the cardamom powder. You will mix these well together. You will take a small sized container and add in some ghee, and then you will spread it all around the container. You will add in the burfi mixture to the greased container, and then you will press the top down to make the top flat and even. And lastly, you will garnish this with dry fruits. Let the burfi set for around 20 to 30 minutes. Once it is set, you can start slicing pieces out of it. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. Have a great Raksha Bandhan and see you in the next video.